Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. From the impact of COVID boosters to the cautionary tale of once-hyped NFTs, join us as we explore the latest headlines on used EVs, refiner stocks, GLP-1 drugs, industrial real estate, and upcoming earnings reports from Nike, BlackBerry, Micron, Carnival, Costco, and more. Stay tuned after the short ad break to delve deeper into these intriguing stories. The expanding electric vehicle market has resulted in a surge of available used EVs for purchase. However, determining the appropriate pricing for these vehicles is not as simple as it is for traditional gasoline cars. Various factors, including battery health and digital features, can significantly influence the value of a pre-owned EV. Moreover, the absence of model years for Teslas adds an additional layer of complexity to this process. Consequently, dealers and consumers are encountering new obstacles when it comes to evaluating and pricing these vehicles. Despite these challenges, both new and used EV sales are experiencing growth. Although standardization within the industry remains limited, it allows room for innovation and experimentation among car manufacturers. As the market continues to evolve, consumers will need to familiarize themselves with the intricacies of buying and selling used EVs.
Two national polls reveal a divided response among Americans regarding the necessity of updated COVID boosters. Pfizer, BioNTech, and Moderna have obtained FDA authorization for their mRNA shots tailored to the Omicron subvariant XBB.1, while Novavax awaits approval for their protein-based booster. CVS Health, Walgreens Boots, and Rite Aid have commenced administering the shots in accordance with CDC recommendations. Reuters, Ipsos, and Politico, Morning Consult polls indicate approximately 50% of Americans express interest in receiving the new booster shots. Democrats exhibit a greater inclination compared to Republicans and independents. Last year's booster campaign witnessed 17% of eligible Americans receiving updated shots. Moderna's shares experienced a decline due to projected lower demand for boosters, prompting discussions about reducing production with manufacturing partners Thermo Fisher, Catalent, Sanofi, and Lonza.
Refining stocks have experienced a significant surge this year due to the high demand for gasoline and diesel, coupled with a global shortage of these products. However, there may be a shift in the coming year as two long-delayed refineries in Mexico and Nigeria are expected to commence production, adding 1 million barrels per day of fuel. This increase in refining capacity has the potential to slow down or even reverse the gains made by refining stocks and subsequently lead to lower gasoline prices. The VanEck Oil Refiners ETF has seen an impressive 16% increase year-to-date, with individual refining stocks performing even better. In the short term, it is likely that refiner stocks and gasoline prices will continue to rise due to low fuel inventories and refinery outages. Nevertheless, the introduction of new refining capacity in Nigeria and Mexico could have adverse effects on existing oil refiners worldwide. Analysts anticipate that cracks will decline in 2024 compared to this year's levels. Additionally, Russia's recent temporary ban on gasoline and diesel exports has further tightened the global fuel market. However, its impact will depend on how long the ban remains in effect.
In 2021, the excitement surrounding blockchain and non-fungible tokens reached unprecedented levels. However, a recent study conducted by Dapp Gamble has uncovered a startling fact: 95% of the analyzed NFT collections hold no market value whatsoever. This means that approximately 23 million investors are in possession of tokens that are essentially worthless. NFTs are digital assets stored on the blockchain, making them unique and unable to be replicated. Unfortunately, their values have experienced a significant decline following a downturn in the market. The lack of demand and clear use cases for many NFT projects has made it challenging for them to attract attention and generate sales. While some individuals believe that NFTs have met their demise, Dapp Gamble suggests that there is still hope if they adapt to possess historical significance or offer tangible utility.
The popularity of GLP-1 weight loss drugs is impacting the demand for body contouring and dermal fillers, as per a survey conducted by Needham. According to 79% of respondents, they would consider trying these drugs before opting for procedures like liposuction. Additionally, 49% mentioned that they would be more inclined to try them if covered by insurance. The survey also revealed a decline in the percentage of respondents planning non-invasive body contouring or liposuction within the next 6 to 12 months. The demand for GLP-1 drugs has experienced a significant surge, with J.P. Morgan estimating that the market could exceed $100 billion by 2030.
Industrial real estate is anticipated to recover in the coming year as it returns to normalcy following the pandemic, as stated by Bank of America Securities. The rise in online shopping during lockdowns has resulted in a higher demand for warehouses and fulfillment centers. Although demand has eased with the relaxation of travel restrictions, Bank of America's leading indicator suggests that a turning point may be on the horizon. This indicator has historically aligned with growth in industrial real estate investment trusts like EastGroup Properties, Prologis, and Stag Industrial. Overall market conditions remain favorable, characterized by low vacancy rates and an expected decrease in construction deliveries projected for 2024.
This week, a number of major companies will be unveiling their earnings reports. Thor Industries is set to announce its Q4 results on Monday. On Tuesday, Costco Wholesale will report its Q4 results, followed by Micron Technology releasing its Q4 print on Wednesday. Thursday will see Nike posting its Q1 results, while Carnival Corporation is scheduled to release its Q3 earnings on Friday. These reports hold significance in assessing the overall health of the global economy and specific sectors. Thank you for joining us on today's episode of the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay inspired, and we'll catch you next time. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, stay safe and farewell for now.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.